The Kamov Ka-52 Alligator is an upgraded form of the original Ka-50 Hokum attack helicopter line. While the Ka-50 utilized a single-seat cockpit, the most notable difference in the new Mark is the twin-seat, side-by-side cockpit. Development of this attack helicopter began in 1994, leading to a first flight recorded on June 25, 1997. While the Ka-52 includes a radar suite, additional crew member, and all new designation, it more or less retains the same form and function as well as armament capabilities of the original. Additionally, the platform supports all-weather, day and night attack environments due to its various upgrades that include FLIR, TV sighting, helmet-mounted sighting, laser rangefinder, and mast-mounted radar antenna. The Ka-52 is billed as an armed reconnaissance and combat platform able to take on the roles of assault, close air support, convoy protection, and armed patrolling. The helicopter maintains its weaponry under its short-wing stub assemblies, which allow for 4 underwing hardpoints. On-board countermeasures, including signature reduction features, chaff, flare dispensers, and crew critical systems armoring enhances battlefield survivability. Each pilot is also afforded K-37-800M shock-absorbing ejection seats. The twin-seat arrangement sports control redundancy, meaning either pilot can manage the flight control aspects of the helicopter. The avionics suite is all modern and the weapons suite flexible to support a broad range of weaponry. Attention has also been given to reduced maintenance and repair times by providing for better accessibility of key systems and components. The Alligator features the Kamov helicopter trademark coaxial main rotors arrangement, which eliminate the need for a countering tail rotor unit. These main rotors are driven by 2 Kamov VK2500 series turboshaft engines, which support hot and high operations as well as cold weather service. Performance includes a maximum speed of 300 km/h with a cruising speed nearing 260 km/h. Ferry range is 1,100 km with a combat radius of about 460 km. Its operational service ceiling reaches 5,500 meters. The Ka-52 carries a 30mm 2A42-1 cannon along the starboard side of its fuselage. There is limited traversal given, which requires the pilots to position the entire aircraft in the direction of fire, but overall accuracy is said to be no better than that of a turreted chin gun seen in other modern attack helicopters. Beyond this standard installation, the wing stubs of the helicopter support anti-tank guided missiles, rockets, rocket pods, gun pods, and cannon pods as required. To date, the Ka-52 has only been adopted by the Russian Air Force, with possible plans to feature it in the Russian Navy as well, dependent upon successful procurement of a new amphibious warship or helicopter carrier. The Air Force is planning on a Ka-52 stock of 140 helicopters, with the Navy adding a possible 40 more units.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for your support.